This morning, as part of his official visit to Japan, esteemed President Serdar Berdimuhamedov participated in the grand celebration of Turkmenistan National Day at the World Expo, EXPO-2025, held in Osaka. Turkmenistan, being one of the first countries among nearly 160 participants, had the honor of presenting its culture and achievements at such a prestigious international platform. EXPO-2025, which will last from April 13th to October 13th, is located on a territory surrounded by an impressive architectural structure called the Grand Ring. This wooden structure, 2 kilometers long and 20 meters high, has already been entered into the Guinness Book of Records as the largest covered wooden building. EXPO-25 is organized around 3 key themes: saving lives, empowering lives, and connecting lives. The National Pavilion of Turkmenistan, located in the Empowering Lives section, presents a unique exposition reflecting the rich cultural heritage and modern achievements of the country. Upon arriving at the pavilion for the reception of high-ranking guests, President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov made a memorable entry in the book of honorary guests of the exhibition. Then, the head of state, together with the Japanese Minister for Expo 2025 issues, Ito Yoshitaka, took part in the solemn ceremony dedicated to Turkmenistan National Day and delivered a speech. The festive atmosphere of the event was complemented by performances by Turkmen masters of culture and art. After the ceremony, the President of Turkmenistan and Japanese officials visited the National Pavilion of Turkmenistan, where the head of state ceremoniously cut the ribbon. Guests were presented with a 3D animation video telling about the history of Turkmenistan, its picturesque nature, national treasures, and achievements. On the second floor of the pavilion, exhibits prepared by the city of Arkadagh, ministries and sectoral departments of the country were presented, and on the third floor, guests were able to taste Turkmen national cuisine. Continuing his visit, the head of state familiarized himself with the National Pavilion of Japan. The National Pavilion of Turkmenistan at Expo 2025, built by the Economic Society, BELI, is an architectural masterpiece that combines national traditions and modern trends. The triangular shape of the pavilion symbolizes forward movement, the continuity of life and renewal, and the dome-shaped part of the building is inspired by Turkmen traditions, national values, and carpet ornaments. The external appearance of the pavilion harmoniously blends with the natural landscapes of the Karakum Desert. The main goal of Turkmenistan's participation in Expo 2025 is to demonstrate the country's successes during the years of independent development, expand foreign economic relations, and increase the export of domestic products.